1, 2, 3, 4. How's it going, guys? 6. My name is Tavarish, and today I'm doing push-ups for every day I haven't posted a video. This might take a while, and I lost count. I'm out of shape. Whew. Hello. So if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. And this is going to be a little bit of a different video. We're not actually doing anything with cars. I wanted to let you guys know what the update was with me and my channel, and a lot has changed and a lot is going to be changing in the near future. So if you are new to this channel, then please go check out another video, preferably with a car, preferably with a build. But if you're not, then thank you very much for waiting around to see what happens with me, what happens with the channel. I'm very, very, very grateful. So if you guys don't know, I haven't uploaded a video in over a month. Actually, it's going more towards 2 months. And that is for a very, very good reason. Now, in the beginning of January, I took off about 2 weeks just to spend some time with family because we had Car Trek, we had a bunch of builds finished on the channel in December. And honestly, I was just tired. I wanted to spend some time with my loved ones. But after that, that's when I got sick. And when I got sick, it was with what I believe to be COVID. Now, I haven't had any sort of positive COVID tests, but it could be because when I tested, it was after the disease had left or too early to tell. So I didn't actually have a positive COVID test, but I had all the symptoms that associate with COVID. My wife had all the symptoms. We got sick around the same time. And yes, we have been masking up. Yes, we have been socially distancing, all that sort of stuff when we go to a public place or anything like that. And we rarely ever go out. We're at home all the time, just in case you guys are worried about that. I take these things very, very seriously. Now, what happened to me was I didn't have any fever, anything like that, but I had a very, very bad case of brain fog. I had dizziness, I had fatigue. I mean, the kind that you can't get up out of bed. It really was kind of debilitating. It was hard just to focus on a screen to write a comment or something like that. It was quite bad. And I am still going through some of the symptoms now. I have dizziness, I get brain fog pretty regularly. It has been going down generally, but it comes in waves. And that's why I haven't been putting out videos, because every time I try to start a video, it really does just drag and drag and drag to the point where I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's actually not too different from my usual videos. But don't worry, because I do have a solution. Even though I can't work to my ability, at least 100% of my ability right now, I do have a friend that can help me out. Obviously, you've known Jared on my channel for a very long time. He's come down for a few weeks just to help me out on a lot of projects. So in the next few videos, actually in the next several videos, the next several weeks on my channel, you're gonna be seeing a lot of Jared, and he's gonna be sort of picking up the slack whenever I literally have to go lie down in the shop because my head is spinning so bad. So I really want to thank Jared. He's actually on the couch over there. He's over there just chilling because we actually have a lot of work to do after I do this video. So I'm feeling a little bit better, even though I'm sweaty because I am out of shape. So I will be remedying this as well in the next few months. Definitely got to lose some of this, like all of it. But another point of news is that I am breaking up the channel. I don't know if you can hear that. We're having a thunderstorm, and it's the first thunderstorm of the season, so that's good. Hopefully my grass will grow a little bit greener. So I know this channel is based on builds, and honestly, that's what I want to give you guys. So this channel is going to be only builds. It's going to be builds, new car reveals that turn into builds, and update videos, garage updates, where I talk to you about my builds. There's going to be nothing else, no reviews, nothing like that. But I know some of you want to see the review stuff, want to see the opinion stuff, so that is going to go on a second channel, and that channel is going to be linked in the video description below. Now, I haven't put out any videos yet, but I will soon. But I challenge you guys to subscribe to that channel, because honestly, I want to see if I can beat Daily Driven Exotics, because they had a second channel. I think Damon had a vlog channel that got to 100,000 subscribers before he even posted a video. I think we can beat him. I'm not really holding my breath for that, but if you guys subscribe to that second channel, then you get my personal thanks. Thank you so much. Just those who subscribed. The ones who didn't subscribe, you know who you are. But now that we're talking about the builds and the meat of what this channel is about, I should talk to you about what builds we're actually doing. So in the next video directly after this one, you guys are gonna see a very big McLaren milestone. I am very, very excited. We finally got it all together, and this thing is done. I mean, not 100% completed. It needs a few odds and ends. It needs some body work, but other than cosmetic, this thing is complete, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. It'll come out in the next 2 videos because it's just that much stuff. So look forward to that. Also, if you want to see a little bit of a sneak peek, you can go to my Instagram right now and see what happened. That was quite interesting in the next episode. And after the McLaren videos, I'm going over a very, very detailed multi-part series of a update of all my cars, and each of my cars is getting worked on. It's not just I'm going up to the cars and talking about them. We're actually going to be modifying the cars, and there's going to be a lot of surprises that you guys haven't seen, and a lot of new cars that are coming to the shop. Mainly that one. That's going to be kind of cool if you guys are into vans like I am. In addition, I am gearing up to go to Car Trek 4. I'm filming that in a few weeks from real time today. So I have to get ready for that. That's going to be a very, very interesting thing. We're going to have supercars. We're going to have a road trip adventure. It's going to be a epic drive. So hopefully you guys like that. That should be coming out in the next few months. And hopefully nothing goes catastrophically wrong, even though I think the cars are going to be a little worse for wear by the time we're done. But if you guys want to see some old Car Trek, well, some of the series that maybe you haven't seen, then check them out in the link in the video description. I have playlists there. Go check them out. I always like when you give me feedback on what you like, what you don't like. And if you haven't seen it, go check it out because, well, I love making it. I know that Ed and Tyler loved making it. Everybody involved loved making it. And I know that some of you guys, most of you guys, like seeing it. So again, go check it out if you haven't already. So that's going to be it for all the updates about me. I can't wait to work on my cars. I can't wait to show you the finished and unfinished projects that we have for you to see. And I'd really like to extend a heartfelt thank you and a big apology for all of you that were waiting for my videos. I'm sorry that I couldn't get anything out to you guys, but I promise that in the next few weeks and months, you guys will be very, very, very happy, and we'll go through all of it together, good or bad. And thank you for that. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a part of my channel and a big part of my life and a big part of why I get to do this and share it with you. So this is me reminding you guys that on cars like all of these, you guys should always build them better. And to do that, you need to wrench every day and stay healthy.